If you want to generate 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours on YouTube as fast as possible, keep watching this video. For I will show you 15 effective ways to get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers, no matter where your skill set is at. How to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast. Increasing your subscriber count is one of the biggest challenges. It's a crucial milestone. Once you've passed it and have 4,000 valid public watch hours or 10 million short views under your belt, you can join YouTube's partner program and start monetizing your channel. Before we start with what you should do to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, we should first look at what you should never do to get subscribers on YouTube. You should never buy YouTube subscribers. Yes, why? Many services out there offer to sell you subscribers for a low cost, an offer that can be tempting for new creators. However, in most cases, these subscribers are merely bots. Even if they are actual humans, these people won't be interested in your content and won't help you increase your watch hours. Even worse, buying subscribers is against YouTube terms of service. Algorithm detects a sudden suspicious jump in subscribers. It can get your channel suspended or even deleted. Building your subscriber base organically takes longer, but it is a much more sustainable and safer approach. Do not fall into the trap of buying YouTube subscribers. It is against YouTube's terms of service and can get your channel deleted. So how do you actually get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours? Here is the full no-nonsense creator approved guide. 1. Optimize your watch time. Watch time is a massively important YouTube SEO ranking factor, and not just for YouTube SEO. Videos with high watch time numbers get promoted more often on the YouTube homepage and in the suggested video sidebar. That is why YouTube states that the longer you can keep people watching on YouTube because of your content, the more your content may get surface. The question is, how do you maximize watch time? Use lots of pattern interrupts. What is pattern interrupts? This is an event that changes a person's thought pattern. Pattern interrupts make your videos more dynamic, which keep people watching. That's why I use tons of pattern interrupts in every video, including graphics, jump cut, and corny jokes. Remember, pattern interrupts don't need to be fancy or complicated. For example, check out this video from Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast uses lots of super simple pattern interrupts like camera angles, changes, and simple graphics to keep things fresh. Number 2, take YouTube's keyword, thumbnails, and titles seriously. We say it all the time. The best way to grow your audience is by optimizing your videos for maximum discovery. But to do that properly, you must take keywords, thumbnails, and video titles seriously. You will need each asset to optimize your content and attract more viewers. First, YouTube keywords are essential for making your content rank higher on search pages. So before you hit publish, add relevant keywords to your video title and description. That will give you an SEO boost and open the door to getting more YouTube views and subscribers. But how do you find these magical words or phrases? It all starts with keyword research, and this in-depth guide will help you get started. Next, design a custom thumbnail for your video. It should be bold, easy to understand, and complement some of the themes in your title. If you need a few ideas, here are YouTube thumbnails people love to click. I will link it in the description below. Make sure to check it out. 3. Add YouTube shorts to your content strategy. While YouTube shorts are relatively new, the short form video format is taking the platform by storm. Even if you want to specialize in long form video, there are a few good reasons why you should make shorts part of your content strategy. It's a different algorithm. This comes straight from the source. YouTube employees has confirmed that the shorts algorithm isn't the same as that of long form videos. That means every shorts you create have every chance to reach potential subscribers, and they won't hurt your channel's long form content. They encourage experimentation because they are so quick and easy to create. Shorts are a great way to experiment with new kinds of content and new topics. You just need your phone and a few minutes to film and edit. Discoverability is their greatest strength. The shorts feed is designed in a way that allows viewers to discover random content, encouraging them to keep scrolling and watching the next video. If you want to put your content in front of more eyes and increase your chance of reaching new subscribers, posting shorts would certainly help. 4. Introduce opportunities to subscribe to your channel whenever you can. Do you know what's better than just asking people to subscribe? Asking them to subscribe so you can make a special video or do collaborations that your viewers viewers would love to see. Using techniques like this can make subscribing to your channel more interesting and enjoyable. Also, if you want to drive up your subscriber count, you need to insert multiple opportunities in your content for a viewer to become a subscriber. Why you don't want to throw it up in their face every few seconds, you should include a link to subscribe in your video's description. Say it out loud and add a subscribe button to your video. The subscribe button comes in the form of a video watermark. When viewers are using YouTube on a computer, they can click the watermark to directly subscribe to your channel. Here's how to add watermarks to your videos. I will link it in the description. Make sure to check it out. 5. Create evergreen content that attracts new viewers regularly. Evergreen content remains relevant and fresh long after it has been posted. Typically, these are how-to guides, tutorials, or informational videos that have a long shelf life because this type of content will always be in demand. There are videos that viewers will consistently be searching for in your niche, leading to a steady stream of views and new subscribers over time. For example, how to get a six-pack, makeup tips for beginners, the top 10 best universities in the world, and tips for studying. These types of videos are interesting today, tomorrow, and years from now. We know that every year, new creators wonder how the YouTube's algorithm works. So I created a video to explain everything creators need to know about the YouTube algorithm. I will link it in the description below. Make sure to check this out because it is amazing. Although we posted that video some months ago, it still brings us a good number of subscribers every single month. This is the power of creating evergreen content that people will continue to search for and be interested in over time. 6. Focus on creating videos that generate results. If you have several videos uploaded to your channel, take a look at their analytics. You will notice that some videos perform better than others in certain areas. Some videos might be great for getting views, while others might be better at earning you watch time, subscribers, or even revenue. Learn what works best for your goals, then create more videos that produce the results that you want. If reaching 1,000 subscribers is your current goal, then concentrate on videos that are driving subscriptions to your channel. Don't make the mistake of assuming that the videos with the most views, because some of your less popular videos might actually be getting you more subscribers than some of your more popular videos. Knowing what each video is good at will help you focus your time and effort on creating videos that help you reach specific goals, like getting 1,000 subscribers faster. 7. Strengthen existing content rather than starting over. There is plenty of content on your channel right now that can help you get more subscribers. Take advantage of your existing content rather than immediately creating a new video. You probably already have a video that viewers love on your channel. It may have great retention and positive comments, and overall, people are happy with it. The only problem is people aren't clicking on it or watching it. That is because while the content might be good, the click-through rate is weak, meaning that when viewers come across the video, they just aren't clicking on it because the title or the thumbnail aren't enticing them to do so. You can solve this by simply creating a better title or thumbnail for that video. If it is already a well-liked video, the improved click-through rate will lead to more views and ultimately more subscribers without having to create a new video. If you want to get 1,000 subscribers fast, you have got to be smart. Go back and make sure you have done everything to strengthen your existing content before starting over. This is just going to save you a ton of time and get you more results with the content that you already have. 8. Publish new videos regularly. Beginners creators tend to get excited about a platform, publish a bunch of content early on, and get discouraged when it doesn't seem to go anywhere. But remember this, few YouTubers are overnight successes. The best way to ensure that your subscriber count grows is to consistently upload new videos. So how often should you be posting new content on your YouTube channel? The answer may vary depending on who you ask, but a good rule of thumb is to post at least once a week or 2 to 3 times if possible, and if you want to see some quick results. Publishing frequently can help grow your YouTube channel into a robust one in just a couple of months. It will always give you the opportunity to experiment with your content. 9. End videos with a strong call to action. When someone gets to the end of your video, they think, what's next? And unless you give them something to do, they are going to click over to another video from another channel. What's the solution? Tell them to subscribe to your channel, and don't be afraid to tell people exactly what to do. For example, here's how I end all of my videos. I literally tell people to click on the subscribe button below so they can get more videos from me. That way, there is no guesswork or thinking involved. And that's the main reason why many people subscribe right after watching my video. 10. Be strategic with the timing of call to action. Your call to action, or CTA, is that moment in a video where you ask your subscribers to do something something like subscribe to your channel, and the timing of this can either make or break the performance of that call to action. Many creators make the mistake of asking for the subscription far too early in their video when they have just started building up the relationship with the new viewer. I personally have seen better results by waiting until the end of a video after I've shown the viewer why they should subscribe to my channel and what kind of content they can expect. Viewers who make it close to the end of your video are the ones who are more engaged, most likely to subscribe, and most likely to return for more. I appreciate the support, and if you want some more tips on how to get 1000 subscribers faster, watch this video next. 11. Optimize your video for search. SEO, which stands for search engine optimization, refers to specific practices that marketers use to get their content ranked higher in search engines. Usually that means tweaking blog posts and web pages so they perform well for Google search. But did you know you can do the same for your YouTube videos? Since YouTube is also a search engine, you can use a few tricks to get more attention for your videos and reach potential new subscribers. Here's what you can do. Find keywords that reflect the content you create. You can do so by researching what words creators in your niche usually use. Include those keywords in your video titles and descriptions. Add tags that describe what your videos are about. Write full description that reflect your video's content. If you want to learn more details about YouTube SEO, I will add the link in the description. Make sure to check it out also. 12. Use comments to drive engagement. When it comes to comments on your YouTube videos, it always pays to respond in a timely manner, especially in the first few hours after publishing. So why not create a canned response comment that includes a link to your most popular video or a playlist of videos on a similar topic to drive engagement and more watch time and views. You can also create canned responses with open-ended questions to generate more conversations, such as, what was your biggest takeaway from the video? Did you learn anything new? What was your favorite part? Very often when viewers get a notification that you have responded, they come back to your video and maybe watch it again, which leads to even more engagement. 13. Host YouTube live streams. When I hosted my first few live streams, 50 to 100 people showed up. Now I get hundreds of current viewers, and with a boost in viewership comes plenty of additional watch time. Let's do the math. If 600 people watch a 2-hour live stream, for instance, that is 1200 hours of watch time. 9 to 12 months into your YouTube journey, give live stream a chance. You'll probably have a couple of hundred of subscribers to give you a nice chunk of watch time per stream. 14. Publish your videos when your YouTube audience is online. When you publish a video, you want to ensure that as many viewers see it as possible. One metric that will be invaluable for you is knowing when your viewers are online and where most of your viewers are watching. For instance, if you are based in the United States, but most of your viewers are in Cameroon, you should publish in Cameroon Standard Time to leverage those potential viewers and subscribers. If you want to know when the best time to publish is, go to YouTube Studio and click on the audience tab of YouTube Studio Analytics. On this dashboard, scroll down to when your viewers are on YouTube section. 15. Make a channel trailer. You probably know that a channel trailer can help you get more YouTube subscribers. Here are 3 tactics for making a channel trailer that works. Kick things off with your tagline. Start your trailer off with your channel's tagline. Don't have a tagline. For example, I say my tagline, make money online, within the first 3 seconds of my trailer. YouTube themselves say that shorter trailers convert best. That's why I made my trailer about a minute long. Show off your best stuff. Your trailer is a great opportunity to promote your best content. That is why the middle of your trailer should be a 20 to 30 seconds highlight reel. For example, my trailer includes lots of clips from my other videos. If you are looking to smash the 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour milestone, jump on these tips today and watch those numbers grow. If you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel without 4000 watch hour and 1000 subscribers, watch this video next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.